Magamingay Ulasoo Ulfau. Unity and strength. That today you will hear the song lines of the Gunggri nation as my children will be dancing for their mother's people of Australia on their father's country of Samoa. All right.
Yeah, it's an absolute honour to be able to see my children sing and dance their mother's songlines on their father's country. And I think that wraps up everything. The power of culture to come together and unity and strength. And just to be able to be on the lands of my ancestors and my children's ancestors. But they get to sing and be proud of the Gunggri nation of Australia. So, yeah.